not gonna play around. It seems like the smaller rounds are not working out. We have 2 more rounds to go through. I didn't want to complicate this by bringing too many guns. I just went straight to the 500 Smith & Wesson, and I picked the perfect round. It's the Extreme Penetrator from Underwood Ammo. This will do the job. Jasper, you ready?
I'm ready.
Ready, Jasper?
Ready.
All right, 500, here we go. Oh, center. No, that doesn't happen. Today we have a good lucky day.
1, 2.
2.